In this tutorial, I'm going to share how I add these tie string closures to my pockets and envelopes in under 3 minutes. They're really easy to do, so let's get started. To start, we're going to create 2 die cut circles. Now these ones measure 1/2 inch, but if your envelope or pocket is larger, then use a larger circle. Now you don't need to use a die cut to cut the circles. You can cut them out by hand or use a punch, but for the sake of keeping it symmetrical, I'm going to die cut mine. This is the pocket that I'm adding the tie string closure to. Now let's add 2 hole punches to the pocket, one onto the center of the flap and the other to the body of the pocket. The one to the body is about 1 inch from the top, and it's as far down as my hole punch will reach. If my hole punch was able to go a little bit further down, that would have been better, but it is what it is. I'm also adding a punch to both of the die cut circles, and I'm adding a pencil mark right to the center so I can try to aim with my hole punch. And I'm not really sure how this is going to turn out, but let's hope for the best. Here I'm adding the tiniest bit of glue around the punch portion of the die cut circle, not the entire circle, because eventually when this pocket is put together, we're going to need to be able to wrap the string around both of these circles and won't be able to if the entire thing is glued down. Grab 2 brads and add them to each of the punch circles. Now I'm unraveling about 10 to 12 inches of string that I plan to use on my pocket. Wrap the string around the top portion of the flap and add a knot. Then grab your string and do a crisscross around both of those 2 die cut circles. And that is it. If you like what you've seen, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you.